pussy people we like it. Me a go send the no say me beside. Hey that boss, go anywhere go do the dot.
Yo, Madden. Yo. I have to listen to FollowIG TV entertainment. You must be full to bumbo.
Sunday a double, but the killer them a braff every day right now.
RS Production, big up yourself, you know, man. I mean, as a viewers and subscriber, I want to know if you go over 33 and Vivo right now and go listening EP when dropped yesterday. It consists of 7 track on here. See, free. Yes, man, you don't know, see, RS Production. I work with the artist, you know, man, and he's a promising artist. You see, please, so I want to know if you go over there and go give him the support, make him know, say, a FollowIG TV entertainment sending over there. I go jump in a review and now 100.
That him advertising, him vex so Russia no authorize him.
John no Skippa. Viewers and subscriber, this artist here goes by the name Abblo. And him a make a direct diss track to Skippa right now, you know. I mean, I say, me no know, oh, me a lapse, you know, FollowIG, oh, yeah, lapse. 3 months ago, the artist drop a song named No Skip. You see me? And now 3 weeks ago, in drop one name No Skip 2. You see me? So that means I want part 2 for the song when drop 3 months ago. And a Skippa it a go to. And you know, say the artist, I review the artist 1 year ago. You see me? The song when me the review title Bunks. Yeah, man. And now, me I see say artist are this Skippa. Poor Skippa right now. Skippa ever sing about money and science to blood clot. The dog and bust Skippa head. So Skippa, what you think about this, Skippa? What you think about this right now? Viewers and subscriber, you think Skippa fi play a level card for the artist or the artist a show some whole heap of shades where Skippa need to answer? What you think about it? You see me? Cause it a come to Christmas back again, you know, man. And you don't know, say, you see me? Sting and them like a thing there, so. Want to leave an honest comment in the comment section. You see me? Make FollowIG TV entertainment. Here we know what to say. But the artist here sing song in here. You know, me not find this a song here because the man have more than 1 Vivo. Right now, this a song is supposed to be on him Vivo. And the last time I do a review for the artist, I did the music channel me the depend. So, like you have a Vivo now, so that's why I didn't see that song here. So, Abblo, me no know why your meds are now, you know, but you look like you want a war, you know, so. If Skippa not give a war, you know, but that waste the shades neither, you know, just find a next artist and fling you over there. You see what me I say? Yeah, man, so, them can see thing and know, say, alright, the war you did it from summer, you know, see if them can cook up something for December thing. You see, pre. I'm making a little piece more a song, viewers and subscriber. 100.
So pussy people we like it. Me a go send the no say me beside.
No to bumbuckler, mood a war. Who is that call so pussy? And who is that talk boy like it? Send them a cemetery. No, sir, so the TV entertainment to the war if for me this a go to, you know. Me nah sit down and play on a level scars pan that day. Then time me a real. No joke. The dog a fuck up his song. He ma fuck up your rhythm viewers and subscriber. No joke. Right now, me a listening artist and the artist on a little flow and a little melody right now. The artist bad. You see me? Me no need none of you tell me say this a artist and no bad. This a artist a bad. Abblo, go and do the right thing, you know. And Abblo, you can't change up your Vivo and your music channel like so and no I expect say me I go keep up in a brother. Cause me I go subscribe to one. Now me have to go subscribe to that one, you know. So viewers and subscriber, remember to go over 33 and go and go listen out him EP. You see what me I say? Yes, man, I may I say, oh, forward over Abblo and go listen Abblo. This track where I send for, you know, Skippa. And you know, so you can find this from Abblo Vivo. You see me, and you have an extra name Abblo Music. You see it? So, don't get mistaken. And it's a title, No Skip 2. You see me? No Skip as in 2 bar after. Yeah. So, I want to know guys to remember to like, share, subscribe to FollowIG TV Entertainment. And I'll leave a song pin in the comment section. So, you guys can go listen it. You see me, I'm going to leave 33 and song pin in the comment section or in channel pin in the comment section. So you guys can go listen out in EP and remember to hit the bell icon, man. To get notified each time we drop a video. You see me? Be a member of FollowIG TV Entertainment, man. No joke. On dreads, madam mean, we out here.